Hello, my name is Johnny and I specialize in piping. I will guide you through this video which explains the key aspects and assembly of piston compressors and valves. Let's consider the ball valves first. The ball valve is one of the most commonly used valves and provides on and off control of flow. This is because it is very reliable as it can be closed and sealed, tightly preventing any flow from going through the valve once closed. It's cheap and requires low maintenance. It is used to control the flow of water in a pipeline either manually or automatically depending on the type of valve selected. Commonly used in gas processing as it's reliable, versatile and simple. However, as it's difficult to clean, it can be easily contaminated, therefore not used in food industry. How to assemble a ball valve. Firstly, the seals are inserted. The ball is then inserted like this. The cap is then secured. The discs are inserted to restrict rotation to 90 degrees. Finally, the handle is placed on with the washer. This is how the valve opens and closes. This image is the technical symbol for a ball valve. It is different from the other valve symbols as it has a circle. Now let's move on to the piston compressor. A piston compressor is a compression system used to compress gases by forcing the gas to occupy a smaller volume. It works by obeying the ideal gas laws and considering the relationships between pressure, temperature and volume. The piston moves back and forth, allowing the system to take in the gas and compress it. It is used in various industries including the petrochemicals, food and energy sectors. This is how to assemble a piston compressor. The crank mechanism is inserted with the crankcase. The piston is inserted into the main body by the use of the lip seals, with a grooved drive stud. The base is attached onto the main body using washers and a gasket to prevent pressure loss. The bolts are used to tighten the base to the main body. The cylinder is mounted onto the main body of the compressor and the air filter is attached onto the side. The guard is screwed on the casing and the flywheel is inserted into the shaft. This image is the technical symbol for a piston compressor and is used in the P&ID diagram, which will be explained next. The symbols shown before for the two different components are used in engineering diagrams known as piping and instrumentation diagrams, or P&IDs for short. These are vital in plants as they clearly show the layout of the plant and so further explain how the process works by displaying the equipment, instruments, piping valves and fittings. They play a key role in building a P&ID and ensure that safety is being considered, as reviewing a P&ID is the first stage in a process analysis. Furthermore, they are a necessity in the maintenance and updating of a plant. To help explain their purpose, here is an example of a P&ID diagram. As you can see here, pumps, compressors and valves are present. You will notice that there are several other symbols present too. Isn't this beautiful?